Hello and welcome to the Vector Clip Art Missing Manual. This is how to deal with strokes in Vector Clip Art. Now I've got this file and I want to edit the strokes. I want to make thicker strokes or thinner strokes. In order to do this, you first have to analyze how the strokes are made in this clip art. To see that, you go to View, Outline, and there you see it. In this case, we've got one line, and here we've got two lines on both sides of the strokes. When I select this, you can see it. This has the stroke outlined, and the other one has not. So the right one is easier to edit because strokes are still strokes. But mostly the clip art is not provided in that way because clip art companies demand that strokes are outlined usually. Now, when you're lucky and you've got this kind of file, what you can do is go to Window and then Stroke. And here you can assign a different stroke weight. You can go here, Show Options, and set other attributes of the stroke. But most important for you should be the stroke weight, and you can just increase it or decrease it, whatever you like. Now, what's with the other case? When you've got this kind of artwork, how do you deal with those? It would be very difficult to get a centerline path from this one, but you can still change the weight of those black lines by going to Object, Path, Offset Path. You can change that. Now, let's see it here. I can turn on the preview and there you already see it. It gets way thicker because it's set to 10 pixels. Let's see with a lower value. Let's take 4 pixels like this. And it's a lot fatter now. What Illustrator does, you see we had these two lines. Illustrator automatically creates a copy of that shape. So what you've got now is a group. You can ungroup it and then we will see it. If I move it to the side, there you see there are two of them, and you can just delete the older one. And there we've got the thicker stroke. Let's revert because you might want a thinner stroke. And I can show you a different method to use this by going to Effect, Path, Offset Path. And now we want a thinner stroke and enter a negative value. And there you see it's getting thinner. You have to make sure that you don't enter a high value because then the stroke is gone and Illustrator might even refuse to do anything. So you might need to increase the value step by step. So let's start with that one and then push the arrow button to get at what you want. So this is how you can edit strokes in Vector Clip Art even if there are no strokes anymore.